Hello students, I welcome you all to Let's Learn Academy, Kolhapur. I am CS Achal Jamsandekar. This video is specially for 12th standard commerce students who are not able to attend their live classes due to lockdown. Now, this is a very difficult phase for everyone among us because of the widespread of coronavirus in our country, and especially for you 12th standard students, as this being a very crucial year for your academics. I know you all must be worried about your syllabus, about your coaching, and also about your exams. There will be so many questions going on in your mind as well as your parents' mind. तुम सब लोग सोच रहे होंगे कि when the classes will start, what are we supposed to study, how are we supposed to study, which books to refer and which coaching to attend. Am I right? There will be so many questions in your mind, and I agree it is right on your part, as this is a very important year for everyone of you. हम लोगों में से कोई भी ये प्रेडिक्ट नहीं कर सकता कि लॉकडाउन कब लिफ्ट होगा and when things will come to its normal phase, right? So, Let's Learn Academy has decided to come up with video lectures so that you can sit at home and complete your coaching. The main intention behind coming up with the video classes is that we can complete the syllabus on time with the maximum possible test series. I am glad to inform you that LLA is the first academy in Kolhapur to have their own mobile application. Now you can see on the screen that our mobile application is in the name of LLA-CA-CS-CME. This mobile application provides you various features like online classes, offline lectures, mock test, test series, quiz and much more. This application you can download from the link given in the description below in the box, or else from our Play Store. Now, before going into details about our classes, I would like to give you a brief introduction about myself. As I said, I am CS Achal Jamsandekar. I completed my 12th in the year 2008 and I stood first in merit at the district level. After completing my 12th, I completed my graduation from Vivekanand College, Kolhapur in the year 2011 and I stood second in merit in Shivaji University. Thereafter, I pursued my masters from Siagad Institute of Management, Pune, and completed it in the year 2013, and I am really glad to inform you that I was a gold medalist of Pune University for the year 2013. Thereafter, I completed my Company Secretaries course from Institute of Company Secretaries of India in the year 2016 and completed it in the very first attempt. Now, this was all related to my academic background. Talking about my professional one, I had been working for an automotive industry for more than 4 years as a finance manager, and at the same time I was a visiting faculty for some of the institutes in Kolhapur where I was teaching subjects like economics, income tax and GST. I'll be your faculty for economics, OC and SP, and other faculties will soon give their introduction, so I request you all to stay tuned to our Facebook, Instagram and YouTube channel where you can get all the updates about our classes. Now, you all might be aware of the change in syllabus from this academic year. We'll be providing you with the e-books in the lockdown period if you did not get time to go and purchase the books, and now being the lockdown period, all the shops are closed. So the books will be in this format. I'll just show you the format of the e-book for economics. This is your change syllabus from your this academic year. Now, आप सोच रहे होंगे कि ये वीडियो लेक्चर्स कैसे ऑपरेट होते हैं. We'll be recording the lectures daily 1 hour for each subject and we'll be uploading it on our application where you can view the lectures on daily basis. We'll be providing coaching for all the subjects and we are having specialized and professional staff like faculties for every respective subject. I hope you all have got a rough idea about how the virtual classes or the video classes actually run. If you have any doubt, you can anytime contact us on 9822-424266 or 8087 333 And yeah, one more thing, I forgot to tell you all that Let's Learn Academy has been running virtual classes for CA, CS and CMA for more than 7 years, and I really assure you all that you will never feel as if you're sitting at home and doing the classes. It will be as good as attending the live classes. So, I request you all to share this information with the maximum friends so that maximum people get the advantage of this video classes and no one is suffered due to lockdown. Thank you and have a good day. Stay home, stay safe.